What if I told you some faceless YouTube channels are quietly pulling in serious money? Not due to millions of subscribers. Not because of fancy studios or luck. It's all about picking the right niche and using AI to grow. Many creators miss this point. They focus on editing, thumbnails, or going viral. But real leverage starts with niche selection. In 2026, low-key AI YouTube niches are thriving with views, watch time, and serious revenue potential. In this video, I'll break down 5 of these lucrative niches and their power today. Let's dive in. First, let's address that headline figure of $85,000 in 28 days. Many envision instant success. But that view misses the mark. It's important to focus on the niche that aligns content, monetization, and demand effectively. Instead of chasing hype, look for 3 key factors: high content scalability, strong audience demand, clear monetization paths. AI shifts the game by allowing one creator to achieve what once required a small team. Niche 1 focuses on AI tool breakdown channels. These channels review and explain AI tools simply. They avoid complex jargon, addressing what people truly search for. Questions like, which AI tool is best for writing? Which one helps with thumbnails? Which AI video app is worth the time? This niche thrives due to the fast-paced AI industry. New tools emerge constantly, creating confusion and demand for clear info. You can craft comparison videos, tutorials, and beginner guides. Monetization includes affiliate commissions, sponsorships, and ad revenue. And remember, it's not just about views, it's about buyer intent. Niche 2 covers faceless AI-powered education channels. These channels teach concepts using AI scripts and visuals. They cover business, psychology, freelancing, and more. This simplicity is why it scales. Viewers gain quick clarity and trust. Trust leads to subscribers and purchases. AI speeds up content creation, making it easier. Revenue streams are varied: ads, courses, and templates. This niche builds durable authority, leading to compounding income. Niche 3 is about AI-assisted storytelling and curiosity channels. This niche capitalizes on storytelling, mystery, and emotional tension. AI helps with ideation and production, but emotional appeal drives success. Content can feature futuristic stories or unusual phenomena. Effective storytelling keeps viewers engaged longer. The monetization angles vary but can be strong. Many neglect the power of good execution, which retains the opportunity. Niche 4 dives into hyper-specific software workflow channels. These channels solve specific workflow problems, like automation. They provide exact solutions viewers seek. This focused content attracts high-intent traffic. Monetization includes affiliate tools, templates, and consulting. You can create a library of content around one theme. This niche supports building authority and a sustainable income. Niche 5 presents AI content business and side hustle case study channels. People crave proof and real results. Viewers are interested in what's working and looking for shortcuts. Examples include testing AI side hustles for 7 days or documenting real automation experiments. AI aids in research and scripting, but the real edge lies in the angle. These channels attract lucrative sponsorships and connect to tools, courses, and communities. So, why do these niches work so well in 2026? They are scalable, faceless-friendly, and have potential for recurring topics. They also connect with search traffic and offer monetization beyond ad revenue. Many creators struggle because they chase views without a monetization path. Successful channels layer their income sources. Ads, affiliates, products, and sponsorships create a full business. The biggest mistake? Trying to be too broad. Many want to cover everything: AI news, motivation, business, tech tools, and more. This dilutes their channel's effectiveness. Choosing one focused angle fosters deeper connections. Long-lasting authority makes expansion easier later on. Now, how do you choose the right niche? Focus on 2 out of 3 criteria. What can you research consistently? What can you talk about clearly? What has a monetization path you like? The best niche isn't only about demand, it's about sustainability. Consistency outweighs fleeting excitement. A good niche you can nurture for 6 months beats a fleeting, hot niche. In conclusion, the best YouTube opportunities often stay low-key. These niches are not just trendy, they're solid and rewarding. They allow small creators to grow and utilize faceless systems. They welcome consistency and create real monetization opportunities. So stop waiting for the perfect niche. Pick one of these and test it out. Improve your process and let momentum carry you forward.